Hello students, welcome to the online class of science. This is your Naima Miss. In our previous classes, we were learning about the forest, our life. And today's class, we will continue the same topic. And I was talking about the tribal people, right? About the Adivasis. I was talking about tribal people who stay in the forest, who survive in the forest. That is Adivasis. Adivasis. So these people, we will learn about them. We will, try to learn about chenchas. I said you about chenchas, right? I said they are also called as chenchas. Yeah. So these are the people, those who care the forest. Okay, they handle it with care. So Naidu Cheruvu Tanda is a small village. Okay, Naidu Cheruvu Tanda. It's a very small village where you can see so many tribal peoples living. Okay, near Papinipalli in the dense Nallama forest of Prakasham district. This village is surrounded by highest hill ranges of Andhra Pradesh, and they are thick forest as well with several wild animals. Okay, several wild animals as well as it's a very thick forest. People living in this forest village belongs to Chenchu tribe. As it names comes from this, it is Chenchu tribe. Okay. A Chenchu walks through the forest from nearly 30 kilometers every day and has thorough knowledge of forest, its flora, fauna and birds and food products. Flora, fauna, that is all type of plants, creepers, everything, birds and food products, and like we have soap nuts, honey, tamarind, bamboo, etc. and sell them in the Santa. Santa is nothing but a market, like we have mandi. Okay, Santa is nothing but a weekly market. Some places you see weekly market is also found. We go na Sunday ki market hai, Monday ki market hai. So that is nothing but a weekly market, and it is known for throughout the state. Now, as I said, destruction of forest is an alarming pace. If usually people destroy the forest, as I said, deforestation is going on. As I said, deforestation is nothing but destruction of forest. That is, we are cutting off the forest, right? Usually people destroy the forest for their own economic purposes. For example, earning by selling trees, and thus excessive cutting down of trees and deforestation takes place. Deforestation also takes place when the forests are cleared to construct the buildings and to construct the industries, to construct the roads, all these things, etc. To construct all these things, what we are doing, we are cutting off the plants. Nowadays, thermal, nuclear power plants, all these things, mining industries, thermal plants. Thermal plants means where you can see the production of the electricity is seen. Okay, जहाँ पे light and current produce होता है, जहाँ पे heat utilize होता है. और फिर हमारे पास है nuclear power plants. All these things, ये सब बनाने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं, जंगल को काट दे रहे. ठीक है. एंड हम लोगों को अगर ये सब इतना नहीं चाहिए तो हम लोग फॉरेस्ट भी फिर से उगा सकते और हम लोग फिर से बड़ा ही सरल और बड़ा ही सुंदर जीवन जी सकते हैं. ओके, सो नाउडेज थर्मल, न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट्स, माइनिंग इंडस्ट्रीज led by multinational companies are a major threat to throughout the globe. Often large part of the forest are also lost due to forest fires. Sometimes forest catches fire. कभी कभी जंगल में भी आग लग जाती, तो उस आग के कारण क्या होता, जंगल में ज़्यादातर तबाही मच जाती, तो ज़्यादातर पेड़ जल जाते, पौधे जानवर कई सारे नुकसान होते। तो उस वजह से भी क्या होता, फॉरेस्ट कभी कभी हमारे पास कम हो जाता, प्लांट्स कम हो जाते, एनिमल्स कम हो जाते। सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर अ पर्पस ऑल्सो, टू गेट अ ग्रेट लॉस्ट, right? It's a very great loss. So what we have to do to save these kind of situations, to stop the deforestation, to increase the production of forest plants, and to save our wild animals. You can see nowadays animals भी बहुत ज़्यादा गायब हो रहे हैं, मतलब कि they are getting extinguished. गायब होना मतलब extinguished हो जाना. Why they are getting extinguished? Why the most of the animals, you can say, they are not found? Because उन लोगों को रहने के लिए जगह नहीं है. They are not finding the place. They don't have the place. And they have find no place to survive. Okay, they have no place to live. So that's why what is happening, the plants are animals are getting exist, they are going vanished. Okay, so वो लोग गायब हो जा रहे हैं, दुनिया से गायब हो जा रहे हैं. हम लोग को कहीं कहीं देखने को नहीं मिलता. हम लोग तो फिर भी इतना देख ले रहे हैं. आगे जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन आएंगे, बच्चों के बच्चे, ये लोग सब आएंगे, तब कहाँ से दिखेंगे? We only have to show the pictures to them. They will see the pictures and they'll say, अच्छा lion ऐसा रहता था, अच्छा tiger ऐसा रहता था. They will talk like this. Okay, so to don't have these conditions be seen, what we have to do, we have to store, we have to save the things, we have to save water, we have to save the forest, we have to save plants. If we save only, that we will be able to keep things in a correct and proper condition, right? To save it, what do we call? We call it as conservation. What do we call? We call it as conservation. Okay, conservation. So what we have to do, steps towards conservation, that is Kondamalli Vana Samraksha Samiti is located at the foothills of Anantagiri forest, alongside with Surugavarakota. It is in an area inhabited by the members of Koya tribe, who are known for cutting into forest areas and cutting down trees to grow crops. Kondamalli Vana Samraksha Samiti. Okay, and this is, we have one more, Koya tribe. What do they do? Koya tribe cut forest and grow crops. Okay, they cut forest and grow crops. Then these people, along with the forest officials, have now made a great efforts to save the forest by planting the bamboos and other plants like karaka, rosewood, and we have nallamadi, we have tamarind, we have usiri, we have jafra, etc. So these are the different plants which they are growing in the forest. They see it not to harm the trees in their area, thus forest have that way degrading started growing once again. So to know that every bit of the effort towards the conservation helps, if we take care of the plants growing around us, we may not be adding a forest, but adding to greenery around us, which is essential for our own existence. Okay, so if you see, there is a slogan, save a tree, save other lives too. Okay, save a tree, save others' lives too. So there is a school in a village. The school has no boundary wall. The headmaster arranged for the construction of the boundary wall with the help of the higher authorities. They were measuring the boundaries. There was a mango tree in the school. ठीक है, द ट्री वॉज ऑन द बाउंड्री. अभी जब स्कूल में बाउंड्री नहीं था तो बाउंड्री उठाने के लिए वो लोग क्या किए, हेडमास्टर क्या किए, प्रिंसिपल क्या किए, बाउंड्रीज बनाने के लिए बोले. अभी जब बाउंड्रीज बनाना था तो वहां पर क्या था, बाउंड्री के एरिया में एक मैंगो ट्री था. ठीक है, a person staying next to the school argued that the tree belonged to him. The children staying in the school had been playing, reading, having lunch, etc. for years under the tree. Then the children came to know that the person sold the tree. It was going to be cut very soon. They tried to convince that person not to remove the tree, but he adamantly denied the children's request. अभी जब वो बाउंड्री में जो बॉल जो प्लांट था, मैंगो ट्री था, वहाँ पे बच्चे क्या करते थे, बैठ के खाते थे, पीते थे, एंजॉय करते थे, प्ले करते थे. बट देन सडनली लोगों को पता चला कि वो ट्री अब उन्होंने स्कूल वालों को बेच दिया एंड अब वो ट्री कट करने वाले हैं. So Nilima, who was studying in 7th class, was worried about it. She thought throughout the night and got an idea. The next morning, she told the idea to her friends. उसके दिमाग में कुछ तो आइडिया आया और वो आइडिया उन लोगों ने क्या किया, अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर किया. सो दे कलेक्टेड मनी फ्रॉम देयर सेविंग्स. वो लोगों ने क्या किया, पूरा जितना उन लोगों के पास सेविंग्स थे वो सब जमा किए. ओके, देन ऑल द चिल्ड्रंस वेंट इनटू द विलेज एंड कलेक्टेड सम मोर मनी. They went to that person and gave him all the money they collected. Seeing the concern of the children, the person agreed that the tree would not be cut. In our state, efforts have been made by communities along with the government officials to grow the trees in areas allotted near the villages, towns as social forestry. That is, people's own efforts to revive forests, which are called as Kartika Vanam. You see, in Kartika Vanam, we plant the trees, right? Why do we do that? We do that to save the forest. Yes, we have to save the forest, to conserve the forest. We have to take some measures. Our own efforts. जैसे पड़ोसी अगर कुछ करे तो हम करें, ये नहीं. हम कुछ करेंगे तो हमारा देख के पड़ोसी करेगा, तो पड़ोसी को देख के उसका पड़ोसी करेगा, उसका नेबर को देख के उसका नेबर करेगा. सो ऐसा चलता रहेगा. सो इन दिस वे एटलीस्ट फॉरेस्ट तो सेव होगी. जब हम लोग प्लांट्स लगाएंगे तो हम लोग का जीवन ही सब सफल और सुंदर रहेगा, राइट? यस, सो दैट्स वाई I request you all not to hurt the plants, help the plants to grow, plant the trees, plant the plants, and try to develop the area. So with this we complete the lesson Forest Our Life. And children, thank you for watching. Clearly watch all the parts of the videos and try to achieve success in your life. Respect your elders, respect your parents, respect your teachers, and obey everyone, and love your small ones. Okay, take care. Thank you.